video, you'll learn how to see how many people shared your Instagram post or are sending your Instagram post to others. From the beginning, I want to tell you that the way to do that, it's very simple. There are no downloads required, no one will ask for your password, no shady zip files from weird websites, no torrents, no paid apps. It's free, it's super simple to do, and you'll learn it in a few seconds. But let's start with the shoutouts. If you want to be shouted out in one of the next episodes, make sure you comment down below something that you've learned from this video, something that you absolutely hated about it, for a chance to be featured in one of the next episodes. And if you want to know if you're the shoutout winner, make sure you stick until the end. Okay, so first let me show you how you can do it, and then I'll show you why this is important. So as you can see, this is my profile, and I've got a bunch of stories today, right? I shouted some people out, humbly bragged about my SEO results on my e-commerce website. And then I decided to switch my chair because my back hurts. So let me go to one of my posts here, let's say this one. So first of all, how can you see if a post was shared at all? You can see it here. As you can see on this post, I had 8 shares. I had a good amount of reach, a good amount of website clicks, and this post had 6 shares. Normally on another post like this, you cannot see how many people shared it, because when you click the 3 dots here, nothing appears. But when you go to a recent post that was, created in the last 24 hours or shared in the last 24 hours, you can just click this and it just says current public reshares. So you just click the 3 dots, view story reshares. If there's nothing on the 3 dots, if you don't have these options, don't worry, no one shared your post. Another way to do that, which is also something that you can see for other people's stories, is here, the mentions, stories about you. So I have 2 people mentioning me. Yeah, someone likes my channel, or I forgot. So this is how you do it. But why is it important? You probably know that for nearly a year, basically since the summer, they first started testing it. It all started in May 2019 when Mark Zuckerberg said that Facebook is going private. They rolled out a bunch of updates that were meant to basically destroy organic reach. We had the June updates with all the action blocks. The automation was halted, so everyone doing that. Modern statement, like a lot of the good methods to grow on Instagram, boom, they basically disappeared. Poof. No, gone. And when likes disappeared, some power likes companies actually shut down. I had a video about it because it was a long story, but the thing you need to take away from this is when most power like companies give you power likes or likes on your posts, all except one that I know, like they won't give you saves or shares on your post. And the Instagram algorithms understand this. If someone purchases real likes from power likes or engagement posts, participates in the engagement posts, or just buys fake likes, normally wouldn't do shares. Or if he buys shares, the person that shared the content wouldn't be a follower, or would share it into a weird place or the same place, or wouldn't like the photo, which would basically invalidate the share. So shares in general are important and have a very strong weight within the algorithm. Why? Well, exactly because of the thing we just talked about. They're harder to fake and very easier to validate, if that makes sense. The question isn't why they are only important, because the strategy on this channel, and by the way, literally show me that you like it by liking it. And also, if you want to grow on Instagram, subscribe, because it's free, doesn't hurt anybody, or I'll find you and I will make you subscribe to my channel.
I will find you, and I will kill.
Good luck. I want to help you out to grow. So the thing we need to understand that if shares help us get more reach or get the Instagram's algorithm swing behind our back, we want to stimulate situations where we can put ourselves in a position to get more shares on our post. How can we do that? Well, start with existing shares you have. If someone once upon your lifetime shared your post, and did you share some of his posts back? Did you share a small person within your niche or someone within your niche their post? Some people would say do a share for share. I wouldn't really do this like that, because then you would have too many, like I've seen pages that just shout out 20 people in a row. I personally shout out and share the people's, like my most loyal followers, because if they had the time to like my Instagram content, by the way, you can definitely follow me on Instagram. If they had the time to watch my content, I should definitely spend some time watching theirs and show theirs to some more people. So in one sentence, how do you encourage or put yourself in position to get more shares, you share. When someone shares your content, share him back. Just share the post that he shared your content, right? He posted your post on his feed. You're not angry that he posted your post. You say thanks a lot, especially if he credited and you share him back, right? You should say, check this guy, he shared my, or this girl, she shared my post. That's a really good thing, you know, and we gotta help each other out, the smaller creators. Also, one more thing is you can just thank him, comment on the post that he shared and say thank you. Maybe you don't want to share it, maybe you share too, or maybe you have too many people that are sharing your content. You can't really share all of them back, right? But what you can do actually here is just say thank you. Just be genuine, go there, thank them, start the conversations, DM them. Why would you do that? At least two benefits. These are benefits most people won't tell you. But you know me, I won't keep you in the dark regarding them. If you thank him, the most obvious response that you can get is him sharing your content again, because when you thank him, you know, dopamine, he's happy and he wants to do more activities that make him happy. Sharing, giving away a share, he shares your content, you thank him, he shares more content. It pretty much goes like this: he shares your content, you thank him, and in return he shares your content again because he feels happy, he has that dopamine. A second benefit that you might not have thought of, but I saw this on one account that I'm managing, is when you shout people out like this, it's like a disease. When people see that you're shouting people out for just commenting or sharing your content, they'll just share your content more to get shouted out because they immediately understand there's a benefit. Give and take. Welcome to Washington. Did I watch too much House of Cards? I will neither confirm nor deny that.
Would you like to hear what I want?
No. 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 Impossible. Vote your district. Vote your conscience. Don't surprise me. Don't surprise me.
So let's go to the one and only, the shout-out winner on this episode. We have a bunch of people that we should be shouting out. First of all, Ace Hardy, he's a bot, I know that for a fact. Oscar Owen, who says, if it works, I'll like and sub. It's a very old video of mine. I have no idea how you grave dig this one. Mambo number 5, who says, thank you, Nikki, very helpful. It's about Instagram. This is actually a really good idea, really good video. I'm very transparent in it, showing you my mistakes regarding should you buy followers, stuff like that. There's so many things that go into it, and I share it all in this video. I'll actually shout out Champ Physique again because he's very persistent. He has a fitness channel on YouTube and Instagram account, so definitely check him out. He has a lot of Instagram knowledge, and the fact that he's spending all this time learning more about Instagram means that his quality will go up and up. And since he's in the fitness niche, and one of the most important things to be good at fitness is consistency. If you apply it to Instagram growth, to business, and being consistent with your learning curve and process, you definitely be someone that people can expect really good, valuable content from, which is what I'm expecting from him, and plus from IG with Steve, who is always in my heart. So much for today's episode, and remember that video day keeps the doctor away. Stay safe out there, and this is no medical advice, it's no financial advice. Do your own due diligence, and by the end of this video, guess what? There's two videos, this one or this one. Let me know.